Alright, this video is intended for my YouTube viewers. My name is Al, and I'd like to welcome you guys over to Classic Car Chat with Al. It's a YouTube channel that we're going to have goals of making videos of cars. So this first edition will be my car. This is a 1968 Ford Coupe. It's not an original. It is actually a clone of a fastback Shelby, but it's a coupe, as you can see. And the interior's been done. It has 17-inch rims. It has the Illinois 17-inch tires and rims with the back. It has the little fin in the back. It curves up. It's really nice. It has sequential LED lights in the back. 3-inch exhaust from the header to the back. It sits on a 1995 front end suspension, and also it has the 302 motor from the 94 Ford Mustang GT, as well as the 5-speed transmission. It also has a Holley Sniper EFI system. Runs pretty good. Has AC. It also has A1 shocks, adjustables. So you can see here, aluminum radiator. I am going to put a 1-wire alternator setup, and it will eliminate this relay box. And I will do, but brought it to just ride around, see the interior. It's going to rain, so I apologize that I'm doing this real quick. But it's a 5-speed. Inside is decent. It's kick panel radio, automatic antenna, 5-speed looks real good, and pretty happy with it. Ride's pretty solid. This is a fiberglass hood with it, and as well as, let me start it up for you guys. There's electric fuel pump. Normally doesn't start in the first start.